What's up, Simon? What you got going on today?
Another headache, another day. Got here a 2018 Colorado we're working on right now. Customers complained that the truck goes intermittently to four-wheel drive. When you set it to four-wheel drive auto, driving down the street, it just locks into full low. So yeah, I'll show you what we did for testing and how we got to our answer. So 2018 Colorado came in. So what's happening is he's driving it down the road in four-wheel drive auto, and the truck just locks into four-wheel drive randomly, intermittentally. So we took a look at it, pulled up schematics, pulled up the code, what we had for our code, and let's get the code in front of me here. So code is PO452. Encoder sensor 8-volt reference. So it's cutting out 8 volts. So obviously we're running through the flow chart, just kind of running test by test, each step of the way, just to kind of see where we're at with it. And what we did find, sorry, I did it in front of me here. So there's pages of just testing. That's kind of where to go from. So where we're at is checking for high resistance. Or for an open or for anything. And on this car here, the next step would be, give me 1 second to turn the power on here. So obviously there's a bunch of steps that you missed before you got here, but the last step that we got into was testing the pin to see if we have it open. So we have pin X1 connector, which you really can't see, but it's in the transfer case control module, which is literally buried behind the glove box. So we have the X1 connector unplugged, and we're running to check from direct source from the encoder motor to the module. And as you can see here, we have OL, which is for an open circuit. So we have a shortage internal in the transmission control module. So what happens is we have an internal fault with the module. We have to replace the module and have the module reprogrammed. But yeah, so like I said, just kind of run through all the steps, checking powers, grounds, working through everything. And again, it's intermittent when it happens, but after about 15 minutes of car driving, the module is clearly warming up and it's cutting out, and that's what we found. So yeah, that's going to be a fix. We're call the dealership. We should have the module hopefully in the next few hours. We'll get that here, we'll get it installed, we'll get it programmed, and then that'll be a fix for it. Bam.
Driven by quality, trusted by you. Simon's Automotive Service Center, located at 740 Brockton Ave, Abington, Mass. Visit us online or give us a call today at 781-857-2446.